Isn't it good? It's amazing. It's got such a like zing to it. Truly
तुम्हारे लिए
radical.
कुछ नहीं बचेगा.
Please come for this show. We are feeding pregnant lady and giving gift also.
You're so real.
One second. इब्राहिम जी आप गुरगुर कर रहे हो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. क्या हुई? कोई परेशानी कोई दिक्कत?
You were terrible in this film. I have two cats. My younger cat would just come and sort of lift my shirt and start licking my belly. This is really weird behavior.
So that's kind of like a cat scan. Sorry, I couldn't resist myself.
Sorry, हम ज़्यादा बोल गए. Guys, I love this name. खाने में क्या है?
She's always been a trailblazer in more ways than one, and we recently saw her dazzle on screen in Heera Mandi. Richa Chadha has a lot going on both professionally and personally, and the new mum to be sat down to talk with us about her most exciting role yet. There is nothing like being around a mom to be that gets my inner auntie activated. And poor Richa will now have to spend the duration of this meal basically listening to all my gyan. But Richa, we are so happy to have you here with us today, and you are glowing positively.
Thank
and you're looking, I can't believe that you're doing so much, a lot of exciting stuff. Where is all this energy coming from?
I think it's just coming from purely the love of the job, and also knowing that I'm giving myself a maternity leave from in the next say 6 days. I'll be
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. See you later, everyone.
later.
But
So
it's such an
it's so-
exciting phase. Like I'm so excited. I'm like, okay, like she's like, calm down, Beverly.
No,
But
no,
yeah.
it's good. I just found out that she has twins.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pick your brain about some advice
Please
later.
pick my brains. I have so much wisdom and I have no one to give it to. No one takes my wisdom, people. But yeah, I don't think you need much wisdom because you seem to be the kind of person who already has a lot of strong female friendship.
No,
you
I
know.
have female friendships and strong ones, especially, but none of them are here. Unfortunately, they're all like in Delhi where I grew up,
Okay.
or like maybe in like abroad somewhere. So that's been a. So please,
Yeah.
Feel free to give me
call me
any-
anytime. So actually, the name of the show is Cheat Day, but we're not going to be cheating today because obviously we want you to eat extremely healthy. We want you to be your absolute best self
Thank you.
for the little bun in the oven.
yeah, a little
Yes.
bun in the oven because that's
Yeah.
not a usual practice.
Yeah.
I had ice cream at 2 a.m. last night.
Oh, I was just going to ask you about the cravings. So are the cravings like off
I
the
had
charts?
no, I had weird cravings in the first trimester. Like one day I woke up craving like garlic.
Oh,
One day I
interesting.
had cravings of olive,
Mm.
then egg yolk. So I had very healthy.
Like very specifically egg yolk.
yeah, yolk.
Oh, okay.
So I had very weird cravings in the first trimester, nothing in the second trimester. But now I feel, I guess it's also the heat because
Yeah.
I'm constantly like, give me something cold and
Yeah, and it's
And ice cream.
It's that's fine. Please, you need to have a little bit of a cheat day every now and again because growing a human, you have to have whatever.
It's not easy.
It is not easy. Trust me, I
Yeah.
know.
What has been fun is that, see, this is also time for a lot of advice and a lot of like for better or for worse, people coming at you with their own experiences. Like, I've had people touch my belly and be like, oh my god, I had 6 miscarriages before
my
I had a
gosh.
child.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, but that's your experience. So
Okay.
what I've been doing is kind of blocking out whatever information doesn't really work for me. And honestly, I've had a really comfortable time.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of very clued into nature. So if you see like a giraffe deliver a calf in the wild, they literally just stand, they do it, then they lick it a little bit, the water breaks, and the calf is trying to wobble and walk and all. And I keep thinking we must take our cues from nature.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm going to stand and deliver a
Hopefully
child.
not.
I don't want to leave you with that visual, but But I think it'll be. I just want to be like relaxed about it. I think it's the most natural thing.
It is, and I think the fact that you're doing everything as per usual. Basically, you're
Yeah.
working as per usual. You're
Yeah.
carrying on with life as per usual. Or has anything changed?
Thoda
Yeah,
eating, I'm
yeah.
eating more frequent meals and smaller meals as opposed to like 2 or 3 big meals. My first trimester was difficult because I would just wanted to sleep all the time. I would just knock out and sleep wherever.
Yeah.
Like,
I still do that, and my kids are pretty grown up. I'm like, I just want to sleep. I had children 6 years ago. I'm still tired.
you had twins, bro. It's not
that's
easy.
true. Obviously, it must be a little tiring for you because I mean, there's so much good stuff happening in your life, right? Like Hira Mandi promotions are
Yeah.
going on. So much love coming forward for that. Obviously, this is such an exciting phase. A mother to be. How are you actually dealing with all of that? Because sometimes so much good stuff also is like overwhelming.
Honestly, there's been no time to process it since we found out. We've been like, I think, first we recently turned producer, so we took the first film we made to Sundance, which was all snow and minus 3-4 degrees, and then we came back. Then this show date was announced, and then it's kind of been on the clock, kind of. You
Yeah.
know? That's why I decided that hey, I'm going to give myself some time off now after this is done.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm going to do. I think, like all the things I enjoy doing, which I normally don't get time for, like maybe music lessons or reading
lovely.
or gardening.
Oh,
Yeah.
so sweet. You're going to a cocoon phase.
Yeah. Nesting. I call it nesting.
It totally is a very real thing, basically, and it's a lovely phase. So I
Yeah.
suggest that you enjoy it every
Something
bit that
so
you can.
cute has happened. I want to tell you. So in Bombay, we like nobody has big gardens, but like we have these hanging planters with cocoa peat and also. I really love the green and I love gardening also a little bit. So there's these two bulbuls have come and made a little nest.
Aww.
Just when we we found out that
They're sensing kindred spirits. But
when-
they do,
when I
it's a weird thing.
conceived and I didn't know, then they had given birth to one set of 2 birds and they flew off eventually. And now they're back again, and I'm like so grateful that oh my god, my house is safe for you to
Yeah, that is so
nest
sweet.
in.
They're
yeah?
not scared of your cat.
My cat is like looking at
Your
them
cat
and
is going to get a lot more dangling
I have
with
2
those.
cats.
Oh, you have 2. Okay.
I have 2
Yeah.
cats, Kamli Chadda
Yeah.
and Jugni Chadda,
Oh.
and they are both like looking at my
You
outside.
better start preparing them from now on only. This is,
Funnily, I only did an ultrasound when my cat, like I would lie on my couch and watch TV, and I was like, "मैं थोड़ी मोटी हो रही हूँ," but I didn't know, so I only decided to do a test when my younger cat would just come and sort of lift my shirt and start licking my belly.
Oh my gosh, that is
And like
crazy.
trying to warm my belly.
Oh.
So I was like, this is really weird behavior.
Yeah.
And then I looked it up, and because their hearing is so sharp, sometimes they can hear stuff that.
Interesting. I would
Yeah.
never have known this. So that's kind of like a cat scan.
Yes.
Sorry, I couldn't resist myself. I love this.
Hilarious.
Meow.
The cat scan.
Yeah, you had a cat scan. I think your cat should start a business now. Seriously, wow, that's like that's a real animal instinct at another
Yeah.
level. Yeah, but it's so sweet. It's a
very
big part
sweet.
of the story, basically.
Yeah, I think I have a photo from that day, and she's just not moving from near my belly, and I'm
Aw.
like, get off, and she's kind of like snuggling and being really stubborn about being on near my belly.
Nice. This is why I love cats. They're very intelligent creatures, and I'm being
Yes.
told that we are only talking and not eating. And now that you
Oh,
like to eat
yeah.
at regular intervals, at
Yes.
frequent intervals, let's have a look at the menu here. And
Yes.
it's all farm to table freshness and goodness
No,
because,
this place
like
looks really nice, just my kind of place.
Yeah, and I think it's perfect also for the summer because everything is
Yeah.
light on your system and things like that.
Yay.
So I'll not go on and on. We can have a look at the menu. So what is appealing to you?
We'll order, but I would like to order something for Beverly guys because I would love for Beverly to be introduced to kombucha.
Yes.
She's a kombucha virgin.
Only kombucha. Nothing else, sadly.
Kombucha. No one's doubting that. You just said you are twins. It's
This is
fine.
anything. Coming back to the
Anyway.
menu. So what are we having? We are having.
Guys, let's order the mango tadgola.
Okay.
Looks
Oh,
like
that sounds nice and nice and
really
summery
new
also.
and
Yes.
Yummy,
and
yummy.
what
And
else shall we have? This
we
is
can
all
have-
about you, so you have to choose what you feel is good.
we can get the falafel. That's a
Cool.
no-brainer.
Oh, something radical. The rat thai. Okay,
Let's
that
have
sounds
it.
good.
Oh,
yes.
peanut. That sounds fun.
Yes. Always a good. So yeah, I'm
More
excited
than
about
enough.
this meal.
Huh?
Yeah, more than enough, I think. No, yes. So now we've obviously placed a very healthy order. So
Yes.
so tell me
We're
a
going to
little.
have kombucha.
And we're going to have kombucha
To
as
wash it
well.
down.
Yes. So what has actually what have you actually been working on fitness wise and eating wise, and where is Ali fitting into all this thing of making sure his his
Oh my
wife
God,
is comfortable and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Raghav.
Which is
Two
which?
flavors of kombucha, both in season right now. So this is the mango kombucha.
Oh,
and
yums.
this is blueberry kombucha.
Lovely.
Ah, very nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is the only cheering we can do right now. But anyway, thank you, Richa, for introducing me to this. I'm very touched and all
So
of that.
then this one tastes a bit like cider almost.
Oh, this is nice. I can get used to this actually.
Yeah.
I for some reason thought it would be a little bit more tangy, and I don't like ultra tangy things.
No, that depends on you.
Ah.
So the more tea, so I make my own kombucha at home.
Ah.
Yeah.
You're
And I
very
love that.
Earth's mother, and you're giving off a very
Yeah.
Earth's mother vibe at
But
the
I've
moment.
always been like
Oh, have you been?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how is someone who's such an Earth mother sort of person? Because I think a lot of people have this impression of you being this, like I said, trailblazer, and along with being a trailblazer comes somebody who's sort of aggressive and out there
Yeah.
and things like
I
that.
think
Do you think
that's-
that's a misconception or?
No, I really do think that if you catch me like a little while ago, I encountered a bad driver.
Yeah.
So I was all those things.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I think everyone has sides, It's like
Yeah.
if you are experiencing rage because of poor driving, then you will feel a certain way. Wait,
Ooh,
oh wow!
yumza.
Look at
Thank
this
you.
spread.
So
It's a
that's the
spread.
mango and tadgola salad.
Yum.
Both again
Wow.
super fresh and in season. For us, it was about a little more about nostalgia. So tadgola comes in there with mango.
Amazing.
It's got greens. It's got some dehydrated cranberries, some roasted
Oh my
almonds.
god! Ali would love this place. He'd probably live
Excuse me, I said that. Okay, I would just like to say I said Ali should be here. Nobody listened to me. He's just gone off to Delhi apparently.
here. Yeah, he's
hasn't he?
shooting. He'll be back. I'll bring him back here.
You should, because I really felt like it would be a good thing for both of you to do together.
Yeah.
And it's like a.
And it's a lovely.
So this is his kind of food as well. Is this like Ali's kind of food?
So Ali loves to cook. So when he makes pasta, apart from hand cut making the pasta himself, but he'll make the sauce and everything properly, and
Ah.
he'll choose the right olives, and he's very particular about what he eats.
Yeah.
He's hard to please.
I get that vibe somehow.
Yeah, he's also from Lucknow. so-
Exactly. So then, therefore, that level is like even higher to
Yeah.
match, right? Yeah.
Like Indian या Western, he's like इसमें जायका नहीं है.
Yeah, correct. But ooh, yums.
Yummy. That's the pad
That's
thai.
that's the rat thai bowl with
Rat
buckwheat
thai.
noodles.
Rat thai, yeah.
We had the bowl and it was quite rat, so we just called it the rat thai. And then that's the falafel bowl with sun-dried tomato hummus, falafel, and that's
Oh
the
my
fico
God.
open toast with the bell pepper jam on bottom, all seasonal vegetables, and
Amazing.
sweet potato fries.
Amazing.
Cheers, guys! Enjoy the food.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Richa is looking excited.
Yeah,
She's
I
like,
am.
what shall I attack first?
Let's try the mango tadgola salad. Wow.
Can I be shameless and dig in also at the same time?
I know that's the point.
Just checking. You never know. The conversation has come to a grinding halt. We're like, is this a show? We're just eating. Who cares?
I'm very happy if Kunal Vijaykar kept this on his list of places to try out. Also must be good.
And since
Big fan of his, by the way.
Aww.
Yeah.
You'll be very happy to hear that.
Really, from comedy days. I was
And
really big fan.
we wish that he was here.
Yeah.
Where is he, by the way? That's a good question. But yeah, next time we'll do you and Ali and me and Kunal. What about that? Dynamic duos.
It's on from my
Oh,
side.
no.
Yeah.
So, where is Ali? What is he up to? How cool and calm has he been during this whole process?
He's been very calm, except when he's not. Then I have to remind him.
Except when
Shout
he's
around
not.
me
Oh.
when he
Poor
forgets
thing.
briefly. What?
Sad. I mean, come on. He's entitled to his feelings also.
No, yes, but not for these months.
I feel like you're the kind of person one can actually have a real conversation with, like you know,
Yeah.
and I think that's also why I think you have such a fan following over so many years. Basically, I think because you're so real in so many ways, right? I mean, that's
One
what
second.
comes. Yeah.
इब्राहिम जी आप गुरगुर कर रहे हो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है क्या हुई कोई परेशानी कोई दिक्कत
Only
Oh,
for
you're
all
saying
of
some
20
nice
minutes.
things about me, like
Correct,
fan
of
following
course,
and
yeah,
I just wanted to.
No, I was
क्या
saying
बोल
you.
रही
There's no BS with you, basically. You know, you kind of tell it like
No,
it is.
yeah.
And that's how
I
you
can't.
sort of.
In the middle, I tried to lie and pretend and all for.
Why did you try to lie and pretend about what?
Like if in the past, if I've had to say no to a script, I've just been like, you know, it's so bad. It didn't work for me.
You actually said that.
I mean, I've said
Like in
it
so many
politely,
words?
like
How
it
do you
didn't
say
work.
that politely? Oh, it just didn't work for me.
It didn't work for
Huh.
me. Apparently, the way to turn it down is to say you don't have dates
Ah.
and all that. Then it's fine.
Hmm.
But otherwise, it becomes an ego issue.
Which is very good, by the way. The rat guy.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how do you actually
Navigate the
yeah,
industry?
navigate ego
I have
issues?
a hard time, honestly.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you seem like the kind of person who, like you're saying, you know, you can't really, be fake essentially, you know. So it's interesting to know how you've managed to navigate that.
Mm.
Isn't it good? It's amazing. It's got such a like zing to it, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Truly
तुम्हारे लिए
radical.
कुछ नहीं बचेगा
Fine, who cares? no, we care
We care.
about everyone, sort of.
We'll order more.
Yeah, we'll order more. There's always more here at Project Hum. So, you know, talking about people who are straightforward, kind of tell it like it is. Obviously, Mr. Bansali is known to be like that.
Yeah.
He doesn't pull his punches.
Yeah.
You know, is that a reason why you think you sort of? I mean,
Get along with him.
yeah, no, I saw the Instagram post that you wrote about him, and it was so. You know, you said that every time you went for a shot with him, it was like you felt like those butterflies in your stomach. Like it's almost like you're meeting a lover, and you feel like both of you are old souls kind of coming together who appreciate that kind of grandeur and beauty and things like that. But on the other side, there's a man who is obviously a perfectionist and who people find difficult to deal with and things like
Yeah.
that. So how do you manage to navigate the world of Sanjay Leela Bansali so
I
well?
was just very straight up honest with him, like, and it really worked for me. I think. You know, honestly, if you and I had to direct a film on which there was hundreds of crows riding
Yeah.
and like 200 extras in every shot, we would behave very differently.
Yeah.
And at the same time, I think he just has high standards, you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he's not just content with a dancing shot. He wants a dancing shot in which there's an emotional breakdown, in which there's a perfect lip sync and perfect acting. He's not just going to be satisfied with one of those elements.
Yeah.
It's kind of like cooking, you know. Look at this salad.
Yeah.
The salad is mango dried Cadbury. It has couscous, I think. It has boiled broccoli,
Yeah.
cucumber.
It's like a
has these-
symphony, basically.
Yes.
Yeah.
It has to have all those elements. We didn't even add the dressing yet.
Oh, yeah, correct. They'll be very upset with us if we don't do that. Shall we do that?
Yes,
Shall we
do.
add the dressing?
But I'm saying, see, if it's all these things, no,
Is
it
that too
just
much dressing? Tell me when.
some
I will
people
just
will
keep
be
it.
happy with just a normal Greek salad or a green salad, as they say. But not Mr. Bansali.
Yeah. So do you and Ali often like cook for your other friends and things like that? Because I know we keep seeing you, you're not someone who likes to go out that much. So when you have stuff at home, like a home party and things like that, what's the general vibe like? What's the dinner menu like? You know, tell us a little bit about that.
So it'll be something either Lucknowi or Indian
Okay.
if you're doing that kind of gathering. So we'll make like yakni pulao or something from Lucknow like that. make something North Indian like chole or something. But if we do like a Western night, it'll be a big salad with pasta or a pizza. Lots of like cheese boards and things like that.
You know, obviously, like you and Ali are like couple goals for more reasons than one. Because I mean, a lot of people see you as this sort of symbol of two people who have broken so many barriers in so many ways to sort of be together. What kind of parents do you think you and Ali are going to be? Like, have you all discussed it, or you're just going to wing it, or how's it going to be?
See, I think what's that profound thing on Mahim Junction? Child gives birth to the mother.
What profound thing on Mahim Junction? Yeah.
That's that stone statue.
I know. Yeah.
It's kind of true, right? We'll find out what kind of parents we'll be. But I think we'll be pretty chill parents.
You know, the thing is, I've often seen a lot of couples, you know, like who are together, and you know, you sort of you think to yourself, okay, like I wonder what kind of parents this couple is going to be. But when you look at you and Ali, I don't know, like I have such a, not like I know you guys or anything like that, but I have such a good feeling about y'all because you know, y'all seem really solid. Y'all seem like partners in the truest sense of the word.
I think the secret is having a really great friendship.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think it's that your friendship is not ruined by your career or your marriage or your anything. Really.
It's
That's
the
real
relationship
secret.
and the
Like,
friendship first.
you have to have your laughs, you have to be able to make fun of each other, you have to be able to call each other out and criticize your work and be like, you were terrible in this film, and you're good in this scene, and you know, things like that. So I feel like that, I think, is the basis of it, really.
Yeah, absolutely.
And also, we've grown up
together almost. Yeah.
In
You
the
had
sense-
such an evolution together, right? Yeah.
When I met him, he used to live around here, and all he owned was like one cycle for an automobile, you know.
Oh. So how did the falling in love happen then? A bicycle built for two. Yeah.
He had a cycle. I had a Sancho, I think.
Oh.
But you know, we were still figuring our way out. Very broke and very sort of struggling actor phase. But I have to say, we enjoyed it.
Tell us a little bit about those days. What were date nights like with Ali back in the day? Where were your favorite haunts, basically?
We would go to the yoga house or Janta Bar before Holi, eat stuff off the street all the time. Basically, eat everywhere or call for stuff and just try to enjoy each other's company.
Yeah.
We watched a lot of movies and a lot of plays.
Yeah.
I watched Jawan and the show got over at 12:30 and I made Ali drive me to Mannat.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I even posted a video. We drove to Mannat at like 12:30 or 1 in the night. Again, stopped for rolls at Mini Punjab. And I was like tipping the guy,
Yeah.
2 ticket leke tum bhi jana dekhne.
Oh,
Because
sweet.
Shah Rukh fan, no?
Yeah.
And Delhi.
That's a very big part of any successful relationship. And you know, you were saying Ali is someone who is very, very, you know, particular about food. So since this show is all about cheat days and we obviously can't cheat with you today, is Ali someone who is a good partner in crime when it comes to cheating on food on a non-cheat day?
Ali is a foodie. The thing is, he's disciplined like 95% of the time. But that one day where he feels like, today I'm going to eat, that's the day we are having like half a kg of ice cream, 2 burgers, like the works.
Okay, that's a big cheat day, basically.
Yeah.
And you know,
But something's got to give. Like
Yeah.
he's had to have like a tough day, or he's had to be exhausted by a workout or something. You know, that's when it happens.
Yeah.
But otherwise, he's very, very disciplined.
Yeah.
And he's
Seems
kind of like a pain also sometimes. He's just like, oh, you don't need that.
Oh my God, I
And you're
hate people like that. It's
know.
very irritating. You're just like, stay away from my plate. You know,
Then I sunav him na when he's done.
yeah. Oh, you do?
अच्छा आज क्या हुआ?
Oh,
ये 10
I should
पूरी
try
कौन
this.
खाया?
I should try this. The thing is, I don't do this back. This is my problem. I'm very bad at retaliation. So, you know, obviously now coming back to your character, which you're playing, you know, which is a very lovelorn kind of character in Hina Mandi.
Yeah.
Is it difficult
With
to
an
play?
alcohol problem.
Is it harder or easier to play lovelorn?
Way easier.
Oh, really? Okay. Why?
Yeah.
Why do you say
Because
that?
you don't have to do like method acting. You don't have to pretend like you're really going through it. You know, it's just an act, and you'll get done with it, and you'll
Yeah.
go home,
Yeah.
and like turn on the AC,
Yeah.
sit with
and
your
chill.
cats on the couch,
Yeah.
and just have a great time with your husband. You know?
Yeah. So my final question is there going to be a baby moon? Where is the baby moon going to be? Or you're just going to chill
hey,
on your couch?
No. What's the window for the baby moon?
I mean, I think you
Can travel
still
till
maybe, but your window is very, very small.
Hannah?
Maybe
That's why
keep
it's
it-
not happened yet because
But you can maybe do like something in and around Bombay.
Yeah.
It's not like get on a flight and stuff like that. Maybe you
ever
can do that.
reliable Goa is there.
Correct, but no prawns and fish and all of that.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. But it's okay. It'll be nice to have some time to yourselves, basically. And trust me, I'm always a call away if you ever need anything. It's like, I don't even know you, but fine. So,
But it's fine.
Yeah.
You've been a mother, so you have that.
yes, I shall give you all my gyan, and we are very, very excited, like I said, and we've got a small gift for you because because we're also happy
Please
for
come
you.
for this show. We are feeding pregnant lady. I am giving gift also.
And it's just a very small gesture of our love and our
Oh,
best
cute.
wishes to you.
Lilies and yellow
Yes.
roses. Love it. Thank you guys.
Here you go. All the very best from the entire team at Khane Mein Kya Hai.
I want to tell you there will be explosions in my house because of these balloons.
Oh,
tonight.
because the cats will go for them.
Yeah,
It's
they-
right. And in case anyone is wondering why our maths is bad and saying 1 + 1 = 3, it's taken from Richa's Instagram post basically.
I
which,
did not want to do a cliche post. so-
Oh yeah, but it's very sweet.
Yay!
Yeah. And in case you need something to keep you warm other than Ali, it's obviously not in this heat.
Comes
the
in handy.
Yes, the token of appreciation for you.
Guys, I love this name. Khane mein kya hai?
Yeah.